Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, are you ready to practice 1 mark and 2 mark questions for your annual examination 2023 and 24? So guys, if you properly revise this, you can get directly 32 mark. That is 1 mark is 20 mark and 2 mark is 12 mark. So let's start the session. This is the blueprint of your annual examination. That is 1 mark is 10, multiple choice is 10, that is 10 mark, and a fill in the blanks is 5 mark, and very short type questions also 5 mark, and 2 mark is 12 mark. So total is 32 mark. Okay, so let's first question. This is pre-annual questions, pre-annual 2023-24. So first question, 3 to the power minus 2 into 4 to the power minus 2 is same. Here base are power are equal. We can write base you will multiply, that is 3 into 4 to the power minus 2, that is 12 to the power minus 2. So option number A is the correct. Okay, the power of 8 which is equal to 2 to the power 6 is dash. Okay, power of the 8 means 8 रो power हमको find out करियर अछि, means we find the power of 8 which is equal to 2 to the power 6. Okay, then we can write 8 as 2 to the power 3. Yes or no? To the power x is equal to 2 to the power 6. Now 2 to the power 3x is equal to 2 to the power 6. So 3x equal to 6. Now x equal to 6 by 3, that is 2, means 8 power is 2. Okay, so option number B is the correct answer. Next, 1496, how many zeros are there? 3, 3, 6, 2, 8 0 are there, is equal to dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 to the power 11 is the correct answer. Okay, next question, by which of the following criterion two triangle cannot be proved? We know that there are the 4 criteria there, that is RHS, SSS, side. First one is right angle, hypotenuse and side. Third is SAS, that is side, angle, side. Next, angle, side and angle. So here option number D is the correct answer. Next question, question number 5. If the ABC triangle and triangle DEF correspondence CAB to EDF then give a congruence, then which of the following is not true? Okay, ACDE. Okay, AC means middle first, then here also middle and first, that is DE. Yes, correct. And AB and EF, AB last two are last to DF. So option number B is the correct answer. Okay, it is not correct. Next one, question number 6. The circumference of the circle whose area equal to 81 pi r square. Okay, so we can write area equal to pi r square given 81 pi r square. Yes or no? So here pi cancel. Now r square is equal to 81 r square. Now we can write r as r into r, and 81 r square we can write 9r into 9r. Any doubt? 9 9 is 81, r is r square. So r equal to 9r. So we find the circumference. We know that the circumference formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal to 9r. So put the value of the r, that is 9 2 is 18 pi r. So option number B is the correct answer. Okay, the area of the parallelogram is 16 centimeter square and height is 3.2 centimeter. The base equal to dash, divided 16 by 3.2. So 16 divided by 3.2, 16 2 ja 0.2, so 2 by 10, here is 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Understand? Next question. How many lines of the symmetry are there in isosceles triangle? There is only one line of symmetry. This is isosceles triangle. Yes or no? One line of symmetry. So option number C is the correct answer. Which of the following has two lines of symmetry? That is, square has 4, rectangle has 2. So option number, rectangle 1 and 2. So both B and C. Also parallelogram has two line of symmetry. Yes or no? Sorry, 1 no, parallelogram has no line of symmetry, so option number B is the correct answer. Next question. The number of the line of symmetry of a regular heptagon is dash. Heptagon is 7. Next one. Choose the correct option. 8 to the power 3 or 8 cube into 8 to the power 4 is equal to dash. Base are equal, so 8 to the power 4 plus 3, that is 7. So here there are no 8 to the power 7, so also we can write our answer is 8 to the power 7, 4 plus 3. So we can write 8 as 2 to the power 3 to the power 7. So 2 to the power 7, 3 is a 21. So 2 to the power 21 is the correct answer. Okay. Now question number 2. Which of the following is not equal to this? How many times are 3 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 3 to the power 6. So option number A is the correct answer. Next 4 to the power 2 3 ja 6. So option number B, because power से multiply हुए means a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Next question. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 5. 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 3. Minus 3 means decimal position left को जीवो. So 0.0. So option number 00. So 00 is option number C. Next question. Question number 6. A to the power m and into a to the power n, that base are equal. So power will be odd. So a to the power m plus n. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question. Minus 1 to the power 1001. We know that minus 1 to the power even is equal to plus 1. Minus 1 to the power odd is equal to minus 1. So here answer is minus 1 because 1001 is a odd number. Next question. Question number 8. 6 to the power minus 1 is same as dash 1 by 6. Option number B. Because we know that a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power plus n. So next question. Question number 9. The value of 2 to the minus 2 to the power minus 5 is equal to dash. We know that minus 2 to the power minus 5 is equal to 1 divided by minus 2 to the power 5. Yes or no? So 1 divided by minus 2 to the power 5, that is minus, because minus power odd equal to minus. 2 to the power 5 equal to 32. So minus 1 by 32. Option number C. Which of the following is not true? So okay, 2 to the power 4, 4 to the power 2, that is yes equal. 2 to the power 4, that is 16 equal to 8. No, so option number B is the correct answer. Next question. Which expression is equivalent to 81? Okay, 81 means 3 to the power 4. Option number, okay, option number 3 to the power 4. We also can write 1 by 3 to the power minus. Option number B is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 12. Minus 3 to the power 4 is equal to dash. We can write minus 3 to the power 4, that is 3 to the power 4. Yes or no? So correct answer is minus 81. Equal to minus 3 to the power 4 equal to 81. Okay. So minus 81, option number only B is the correct answer. Next question. which power of 8 is equal to 2 to the power 6? Okay, the same questions. 2 to the power 6 equal to 8 to the power x. Here is 2 to the power 3x equal to 2 to the power 6. 3x equal to 6, x equal to 2. So option number B. Minus 6 by 5 whole to the power minus 1 equal to dash. Here is minus 1. So we reciprocal the fraction, that is 6 minus 6 by 5, that is 5 by 6 minus option number D is the correct answer. Which of the following is a greatest? Okay, greatest means find out karo. So 4 to the power minus 2, that is 1 by 16. Here 1 by 64. Here 1 divided by 81. Then 1 divided by 9. Is or no? So divide. Which one is the greatest? So whose denominator is small, then this one greatest, because numerator are equal. So denominator is small is greatest. So option number D is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Express this as the power of the rational number. Okay. 8 we can write 2 to the power 3. Then 125 we can write 5 to the power 3. So equal to minus 2 by 5 whole to the power 3. Or we can write minus 2 by 5 whole to the power 3. Okay. Next, write the reciprocal. First divide 7 to the power 0, that is 1. Then minus 6 by 7 to the power 5 divided by 1 is equal to minus 6 by 7 to the power 5. Reciprocal means simply reverse कर दियो, minus 7 by 6 whole to the power 5. Okay. Next question. Evaluate and express the result in P by Q form. Okay. First solve 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 to the power 3. Now divide 6 to the power 2 divided by 7 to the power 2. Now minus 3 to the power 3 divided by 7 to the power 3, divide 6 to the power 2 divided by 7 by 2. So now minus 3 to the power 3 divided by 7 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 2 divided by 6 to the power 2. So here minus 3 to the power 3 divided by 6 to the power 2 into 7 2 divided by 7 3. Now minus 3 to the power 3, that is minus 27 divided by 36 into a formula put, that is 1 by 2 ta 7 cancel, that is 1 by 7. Yes or no? So 1 by 7. So answer is minus 27 divided by 7 6 ja 42, Kerala 4, 7 3 ja 21, 25. Sorry, here cancel is 9 3 ja 9 4 ja. So answer is minus 3 by 28. Okay. Next, find the value. Okay, here the base are equal. We can write 4 by 7 to the power 4 3 ja minus 12 is equal to 4 by 7 to the power 6x. Here base are equal. We can write 6x equal to minus 12. Now x equal to minus 2. Okay, which is greater, 3 to the power 12 or 6 to the power 6? Okay, so here we can write, in this type of questions you should either equal power or base. So here we can write 3 to the power 6, sorry 2 to the power 6, yes or no, and also 6 to the power 6 तो 9 to the power 6, 6 to the power 6, so greater is 9 to the power 6. Understand? Next question. Find the x if this equal to this. So 243 you can write down. We can write minus 3 to the power x minus 2, and minus 243 means minus 3 to the power 5. Okay, so here base are equal, so power also equal, x minus 2 equal to 5, so x equal to 5 plus 2, that is 7. Okay, next evaluate this. Here base are equal, base are not equal. We can write 5 by 6 whole to the power 6 as minus 5 by 6 whole to the power 6. Any doubt? Because n is power is even number, that's why we put sign, minus sign. So divide minus 5 by to the power, minus 5 by 6 to the power 4. Here now base are equal, so put the formula, that is minus 5 by 6 whole to the power 6 minus 4, that is 2. So 25 divided by 6 is 36, minus or square, that is plus. Understand? Next question. 1 to the power 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5. Okay, next question. Very short type questions. Which of the following is the value of m in the equation 3m minus 14 equal to 4? Okay, so we can write 3m minus 14 equal to 4, that is 3m equal to 14 plus 4, that is 18, and m equal to 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. So option number C is the correct answer. Okay, next question, question number 2. Which of the following is the solution of the equation? Okay, 2x minus 3y equal to 1. Put the value, that is x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Okay, that is 2, that is minus 3. So here is minus 1. So this is the not correct answer. So option number 2 put kariba. So x equal to 1, y equal to 2, that is 2. So 2 means it a minus rasibo, not. And option number 3 that x equal to 2, that is 4, 2 to 4, minus 3, 1. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay, then 5 is the solution for the linear equation 3x minus 7 equal to 2. Justify it. Okay, so we can put by LHS is equal to 3x minus 7. Now put the value, that is x equal to 5 minus 7, that is 5 3 is 15 minus 7. So 15 minus 7 equal to 8. Is that no? So 5 is not the solution of the linear equation 3x minus 7 equal to 2. Okay, is not equal to RHS. Now next question, next chapter, that is congruent triangle. यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे देन वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करो। चैनल न्यू अच्छो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन को क्लिक करो, जब भी वीडियो अपलोड करी फर्स्ट तुमको नोटिफिकेशन शो करिवो। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गिव एनी टू रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल ऑफ द कॉन्ग्रुएंट शेप। ओके, बटरफ्लाई, ओके, now also kite, sorry, congruent shapes. Next question number 2, এটা को कमेंट रिप्लाई करो कौन आंसर हबो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, टू लाइन सेगमेंट आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट इफ इक्वल मेजर और सेम मेजर, same length or equal length, equal length, equal length. Next question, among the two congruent angle, one has measure 700, the measure of the other angle is also 700. If AB equal to PQ, AC equal to PR and A angle equal to P angle equal to 400 actually এটা 40 হবো এটা 70 it also 70 so then by dash congruent rule ABC congruent to the PQR okay this is side and this is angle we can write angle side angle congruence condition the triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR okay now next question 5 number which one of the following is not criteria for the congruence of the two triangle that is option number B SSA so next question number 6 let ABC and DEF the two triangle in which AB equal to DE BC equal to FD CA equal to EF the two triangle are congruent under the correspondence ABC dash so ABC means here is AB there is DE so DE to start karibo so DE another is DEF okay next question if the ABC and DEF the correspondence CAB congruent to EDF give the congruence then which of the following is not true okay check karo AC okay AC then DE now ABEF sorry এটা হবনি so option number B is the correct answer next question question number 8 by which of the following criteria two triangle can be proved so not proved congruent that is option number A two rectangle are congruent if they have same length and breadth two square are congruent if they are same side next one two angle are said to be dash congruent two triangle are congruent if the two angle and the sides included between them in one of the triangle are equal to the two angle and the side included between them the other triangle this is known as dash okay two angle and one sides this is ASA okay next question it is correct to say that any two right angle are congruent justify your answer okay two right angle are congruent two right angle means it is correct to say that any two right angle are congruent no because a right angle means one angle should be 90 degree yes or no other are acute angle not same that's why we cannot say that two right angle are congruent okay next question number 14 if triangle ABC congruent to FED under the corresponding ABC FED write the all corresponding congruent part of the triangle okay first one is we can write we can write AB is equal to FE and three side that is BC is equal to ED yes or no then AC equal to FD okay next if triangle ABC congruent to FED write the part FED that corresponding to dash FED okay FED triangle is corresponding to dash write the part of the FED corresponding to B angle or BC C angle or AC okay FED means B angle to Y questions कौन कौन triangle ABC congruent to FED write the parts that अच्छा write the parts आम लिखा B सहित किए ना B सहित is E okay BC means BC सहित ED and C equal to D Also AC equal to first last means FD equal to FD. Understand? Next question. In triangle ABC, A equal to 30 degree, B equal to 40 degree, then C equal to 110 degree. Triangle PQR, P equal to 30 degree, Q equal to 40 degree, then R equal to 110 degree. A student said that ABC corresponded congruent to triangle PQR by AA congruence criteria. Is he justified? No, because there is no conditions are there, that is AAA. So next question, question number 17. If triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, fill in the blanks. Okay, AB means AB से तो equal over DE, so write down DE. Now C equal to F, first last that is F. Then EF means EF, second last is BC, and D angle means first, that is A. Next question number B, CA, last first FD. Now B angle means E angle, middle. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is a linear equation in one variable? Okay. First one is two variable because x and y are there. Second one is one variable, so option number B is the correct answer. Next question. The centroid of a triangle divide each median in the ratio. This is a very important question, that is 2:1. Next question. If triangle ART congruent to triangle PEN, which of the following is true? ARPE, okay, first two, that is first two, correct. Then B, R angle equal to N angle, no, option number B is the correct answer. Area of the right angle triangle whose side containing right angle are 12 decimeter and 5 decimeter is dash. So area formula is equal to 1/2 base into height, that is 12 into 5, 2 6 ja 6 5 ja 30, so 30 decimeter square. Okay, next question. How many line symmetry are there in a circle? Circle infinity. Okay, infinity. Next question. An English alphabet having the two line segment, that is two line of symmetry, that is H and I. Next, which of the following, the number of the edges of the tetrahedron, that is 6. Which of the following criteria is not true the congruence? The repeated question, that is S as the tetrahedron has 4 vertices, 4 faces, option number D. The number of the face of a cuboid 6. A regular heptagon means 7 line of symmetry. Heptagon, octagon 8, then nonagon 9, decagon 10, then hexagon 6, hepta 7, then pentagon, that is 5. Okay. A closed figure in a plane having the 3 side and 3 angle is known as triangle. The 3 altitude of an equilateral triangle are dash equal. The usual form, okay, usual form means minus h means left side को, so 0.327, yes or no, because decimal 2 side thela, so ame naba, 2 sides here, so how many digit? 1 2 3 4, देखो 4. Factorize, okay, first taking common, that is A, so x plus y, again common minus B, that is x plus y, so also common x plus y, that is A minus B. Okay, next question. 16 into 5 square is equal to dash. We can write 16 as 4 square into 5 square. So 4 into 5 whole square, that is 20 square. So option number B. Yes, which of the following criteria? The option number C is the correct answer. Which of the following polynomial is a trinomial? Okay, trinomial means here is binomial because this term are like terms, so this is a binomial, so this is a trinomial. Option number C is the correct answer. Yes or no? Trinomial. And here no. So next question, question number 4. A horse is tied in a pole, one corner of a square field. Okay, this is a square field and a horse is tied one corner. Then with the string 14 meter length, the horse can graze over this area. Yes or no? Means circle 1/4. So circle area is pi r square divided by 4. So r here the 14, so 22 by 7 into 14, 7 2 ja, yes or no, 7 2 ja 14, so r square into 14, so 22 into 2 into 14 divided by 4, 2 2 ja, 2 11 ja, so 14 11 equal to 154. Next question, which of the following letter has the reflection symmetry about the both horizontal and vertical mirror? That is horizontal and vertical is option number A. A tetrahedron has dash faces, that is 4. Next question, if 2x plus 3 equal to 7, this is important question, so we can find 2x plus 3 equal to 7, so 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2, now put the value, that is 2 minus 1 by 5, so take LCM 5, 5 2 is 10 minus 1, that is 9 by 5. The centroid of the triangle divide 2:1. The point of the concurrence of the angle bisector, so angle bisector means in center. If perpendicular bisector forms circumcenter, okay, and median means centroid, okay, and altitude hoji orthocenter. Next question, the area of the rhombus given, so we know that area of the rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2, yes or no? So d1 equal to 14 into d2, so d2 equal to 98 divided by 7, 14. So option number is, answer is 14. The other name of the line of the symmetry for a line segment is perpendicular bisector, Next, the number of the edges of a cuboid 12. The sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than. Next question, choose the correct answer from the given alternative. 5 into 5 to the power 9, that is 5 to the power 10, because 9 plus 1, that is 10. Option number C is the correct answer. Next question, the value of 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 4 is dash, that is 3 to the power 4, that is 81. So option number B is the correct answer. The standard form means here is points, so we can write standard form means k value satisfy करिया गले हमको point को नेरा 2 after 2, so 2.7 into 10 to the power 1 2 3, 10 to the power minus 3, okay, so option number C. If triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, which of the following is not true? So AP first, okay, correct. Then BCQR last theta, correct. B and R middle, no. So option number C is the correct answer. So this type of question sure aswe exam re, this type ro and this type ro. Next question, which of the following criteria triangle not proved? A. The diameter of the circle whose circumference, it is important. Circumference means we can write 2 pi r equal to 22, okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 22. Now 22 cancel. Here r equal to 7 divided by 2. Yes or no? So diameter means 2r, that is 2 into 7 by 2 equal to 7. So option number B is the correct answer. Yes or no? Next question. A area of the triangle whose base is 3 cm and height is 7 cm. Area means 1 by 2. Base is 3, height is 7. 21 by 2, that is 10.5. Option number B. So unit is centimeter square. Here unit is centimeter, not the unit of the area. Next question, question number 8. The letter that has a reflection symmetry above the both horizontal and vertical, that is O. Number of the line of the symmetry of the regular heptagon 7. The other name of the symmetry line segment, that is perpendicular bisector. The usual form 9 into 10 to the power minus 5. So 9 minus means decimal asibo. So 9 को decimal था ना right side रे, ऐसा no, right side into 10 to the power minus 5. So minus अछि माने left side को जिवो केतेटा ना 5 already गोटे अछि तो 4 टा 0, that is 0 0 0 0 9. Here is decimal. ऐसा no, देखो काउंट कर दियो. Here decimal था लाइटी, इटी की जिवो केतेटा नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 तो करेक्ट अछि. So आंसर इज 0.00009. Okay. Next question. If PQ are XYZ congruent, then the side PQ means first theta or first theta of XY. So option number answer of X and Y. The perimeter of the rectangular field is given. Rectangular field means 2 into L plus B equal to 240. Now L equal to 90 plus B equal to, here multiply means divide 240 by 2, that is 120. So B equal to minus 90, that is 30. So breadth equal to 30. The area of the rhombus given, and 14 number, just calculate कर ले. So geometrical figure having the 4 line of symmetry, that is square. Find the product. Okay, so first multiply sign, that is plus minus minus. 6 5 is 30. A to the power 2 plus 7, that is 9, because multiply base equal ले r is your power. Under which condition two circles are said to be congruent? Now equal radius. Find the area of the parallelogram whose base equal to given and height equal to given. The area formula means base into height. So base equal to 14 5 is 70 centimeter square. Write the two letter English alphabet having the two line of symmetry, that is H and I. Name the solid whose net are given, that is cylinder. Cone रोची गोटे सेमी सर्कल and गोटे circle. Next question, evaluate. 5 square means 25 minus 16, okay, divided by 9. So that is 9 divided by 9, that is 1. Simplify. 6 to the power minus 1 minus 8 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 6 1 by 8 whole to the power minus 1. Take LCM, that is 24. 6 4 ja, 8 3 ja, that is minus 1. 1 divided by 24 to the power minus 1, that is 24. Okay. The product of the two rational number given. So one is minus 5 by 4 into another is x equal to minus 25 divided by 16. So x equal to minus 25 divided by 16. Here multiply, divide or reciprocal है जीवो 4 by minus 5. 5 5 जा minus minus cancel. 4 4 जा, answer is 5 by 4. Find any two rational number between 1 by 4. The first is how to calculate. Formula is 1 by 2 a plus b, that is 1 by 4 plus minus 3 by 5. So take LCM. 25 ja 4 minus 12 ja. So 1 by 2 minus 7 by 20 that is minus 7 by 40. So one rational number is minus 7 by 40. So other is, second is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and minus 7 by 40. Now calculate. Take LCM. 1 by 2, LCM is 40, 4 10 ja, plus minus 7, that is minus 3, 1 by 2, sorry, plus 3 by 40, so 3 by 80. So another rational number is 3 by 80. Okay. Next question. Express this in the exponential form. So 64 we can write, okay, prime factor कर दियो 64, 232, 216, 28, 24, 22. Now again prime factor 486, 2 2 जा, 2 4 जा, 2 3 जा, and then ये 5 टा 3 बाहरिबो 3 81, 327, 39, 3 3 ja, 1 2 3 4 5. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5, 6 ta 2, yes or no, divided by 2 into 3, 5 ta 5, 3, 1 2 3. Here 1 to 1 to cancel, yes or no. So here is 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5, then 2 by 3 whole to the power 5. In triangle ABC congruent to EFD, then the BC equal to last theta, that is FD. Now A equal to first, that is E. Next, that is eta over 3 is because eta 1, also 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Coefficient of x, that is minus 9 y square z. If the question is numerical coefficient, then only minus 9. Okay. Next question, question number 3. If PQ equal to YZ, Q equal to Z, then QR equal to ZX, then triangle PQR, देखो first कौन सी PQ, then R कौन सी YZ, तो YZ to start अब तो YZ, then another is YZX. ओके ये टाइप क्वेश्चन सियोर एग्जाम आसो तो ये टाइप देख पूरा इजी अच्छी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सीक्वेंस रे लिखिबार अच्छी जो सीक्वेंस रे अच्छी. एक्सप्रेस दिस इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ओके फर्स्ट राइट डाउन 2 3 6 0 0 0 0. नाउ 2 3 6 डेसिमल 8 अच्छी तो डेसिमल आम ये नवा 2.36 इंटू 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, next question, question number 5. If the triangle PQR and triangle SQ are both isosceles triangle, okay, and common base, okay, common base QR, PQR, then P and S be the same side of the QR, the same side, sorry, same side. Are the triangle PSQ and PS are congruent? Which condition do you use? Okay, same side रो अछंदी condition हम use करिबा को conditions S, okay, then angle. So angle means ASA angle हमें यूज करिबा which condition ASA तो এটা হবে S. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is thrice the breadth. Okay, so let breadth equal to x and length equal to 3x. So sorry where the breadth given अछि तो breadth is 4x तो length is 3x means 3 into 4x, that is 12x. So area equal to length into breadth, so 4x into 12x, that is 48x square. Next question. Area of the field given, the area of the hectare. We know that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Okay, so 50, 1 2 3 4, so 50 hectare, option number 2. Which of the following is the circumference of the circle? That is pi d or 2 pi r. Okay, also you should remember middle meter, here is decimeter, then centimeter, then millimeter, left side re decameter, then hectometer not hectare, hectometer, then kilometer. मन रखिबो 1 hectometer, sorry 1 hm square is equal to 1 hectare. Okay, next question. A 44 centimeter wire is bent to form a circle. तार माने 2 pi r is equal to 44, circumference equal is, so 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 44. Now 22 ja 44, 44 44 cancel, r equal to 7. Yes or no? So diameter equal to 7 into 2, that is 14. Find the area of the circle, circumference given. So we can write 2 pi r equal to 132. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 132. Okay, so now r equal to 132 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 2, cancel. 2 6 ja 12, 2 6 ja 22, 3 ja 7, 3 ja 21, so r equal to 21. But area find out kariba, pi r square, that's 22 by 7 into 21 into 21, 7 3 ja, so 21 3 ja, that is 63 by 22, 2 3 ja 6, 12, then 1 2 6, the area equal to 6831 centimeter square. Next question. In triangle ABC, AB plus BC greater than third side, that is AC, the centroid 2:1, the hypotenuse of the right angle 17, the one side given is the other side, so other side हमें minus करिबा, that is 17 square minus 8 square, yes or no, root over, that is 17 square 289 minus 64 root over, that is 289 985 862 225, that is 15. Or you can find in this method hypotenuse h equal to 17, side either base or perpendicular, that is 8. We know that by Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Base hypotenuse square means 17 square, base means 8 square plus perpendicular square, so 17 square, that is 289 equal to 64 my plus p square, so p square equal to 289 minus 64, that is 225 p square, so we can write p into p, 225 as 15 into 15, so p equal to 15. Okay, next question. The point of concurrence altitude means orthocenter, okay, and perpendicular bisector means circumcenter, and angle bisector is in center, then median is centroid. Man rahila. Next question, question number E. In triangle PQR, if PRS is an exterior angle at R, okay, this is PQR, PRS is exterior angle at R, the exterior adjacent angle, sorry, interior adjacent angle पाखरे किए PRQ, okay, and the P angle and Q angle are the interior opposite angle. Next question. Find the value of the x x, how to find? We know that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. So x plus 50 is equal to 120. So x equal to 70 degree, 120 minus 50 equal to 70 degree. So x equal to 70 degree. Now y plus 120 is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. So y equal to 60 degree because 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. Okay. Can a line segment this can be side of the right angle? So here larger side is 2.5. Okay, this is hypotenuse, and the base equal to 2 and the perpendicular equal to 1.5. Now solve. Hypotenuse square equal to 2.5 square, that is 6.25. Now base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, check karo. That is 2 square plus 1.5 square. 2 square means 4 plus 225. Now 4 to 6.25. So also correct. So it is a right angle triangle. Where does the circumcenter of a right angle triangle lie? Okay, this is a right angle triangle. Circumcenter means perpendicular bisector of the side. This is perpendicular bisector. Yes or no? R hoଉଛି T, eta hoଉଛି T. So at point at the right angle. Okay, vertex of the right angle. Where does that right angle? Okay. Next question. Completed. तो वीडियो केमती लगिला देन कमेंट करो. ओके, यदि वीडियो पसंद लगिला देन लाइक एंड शेयर कर तुम सांग मान सहित और तुम एग्जाम पाई बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू.